coilover one, I finally figured out what the miss is on this car. And it's something that originally I would have never even thought of. I made a post on a couple of the Mopar groups on Facebook to try to get some insight, maybe some help from other people, maybe some ideas that might spark figuring out what this problem is. And the problem turned out to be the brake booster leaking vacuum was causing 2 cylinders to go bad. Yeah, I didn't hear, I couldn't hear, I can't hear the booster leaking, but the booster was leaking. And it's running good now, so let me crank it up for you. It runs smooth. I do still need to tweak the carburetor a little bit. That is in gear, low idle, and running smooth. I'll put a little bit of throttle in here. You can see it is smooth. That is a nice smooth running 318. Need to tweak the carburetor a little bit, try to get it perfect, but it's good. I didn't want to wait for the next video to let y'all know, but I was able to figure out the problem, and I will be changing out the booster, which won't be too hard actually. Let me show you. The booster and the bolts are all out here. Even the linkage is right there. So changing that booster will not be that difficult. But there it is. There's the video. Just had to show you that I figured it out, and I'll see you in the next one.